event is really important just to show the public how important STEAM is. It's just gonna show people how great science has evolved.
I really think this event is important to everyone because it's a way to show off and feel a sense of accomplishment. Our club activities are showing off our medical skills and what we've been learning in multiple different classes.
Journalism, you learn how to plan for stuff, you learn how to write, you learn how to record. In gardening, you learn math, you get to build, you get outdoor hands-on experience.
Me and my group of people are doing a mural for our school.
In our mural, we see all the different languages and our whole class of the different races and different ethnicities.
I got to play games, see my friends, and explore here.
I'm looking forward to seeing all the different booths that are available for everyone to watch.
I like games, I like coding, I like creating things.
I liked it because I got like so many stuff and I made slime. My math team thing, we were just like practicing how to make like 24 out of like 4 numbers.
I'm trying to see what basically everything that I can see.
There was a scholarship where you go out as an intern and you work on engineering projects. That kind of piqued my interest because I kind of wanted to get into that field.
It gives me a lot of different opportunities of different pathways I can choose.
You should come.